Another thing Google is doing, they're testing the ability to shop directly from YouTube videos. We talked about this in the past, and it's finally rolling out by the looks of it. There's a little shopping cart that shows up in videos. Only US users currently who access YouTube through Android, iOS, and the web will see the shopping bag icon. So if you click or tap on this icon in the bottom left of the screen, YouTube will display a list of featured items in the video, and then it will attach to the retailers associated with that particular item, and you can add it to your cart within one click. This obviously makes a lot of sense. Many people research products, look at products on YouTube, and then many YouTube personalities sell their own stuff or collaborate with brands and things like this. Some people will find it easy. Others may be critical of such a feature, suggesting that I don't know, the site becomes a giant infomercial, which, well, I mean, it kind of is. I don't know. It's weird, the connotation around infomercial, because I do so much shopping via YouTube myself, and I don't really feel bad. You know what I mean? I would prefer, if I was going to buy something, I would prefer someone on YouTube explain it to me than just go to the website and pull the trigger on you know what I'm saying? It's like...
Yeah, but some people just want to watch the content. Maybe if there was like a hide button or something.
Oh, I'm sure there'll be. I'm sure they'll find a way, or an opt out or something like this. I read through some of the comments. Some people were upset about it. Let's see. Ironic, considering most of these so-called influencers do not pay for the stuff they show off, and Google does not pay anyone for the data they mine. Perhaps pay the consumer and not the damn influencers. So like Brett is upset, and then Chris says, just what we need, more ads and consumerism. But these guys are on Engadget. I mean, what are we really doing here? Yeah, ads and consumerism. It's called the market. It's called the economy. I don't know. What do you want to do? None of that? Okay, we'll see how that goes then. None of that, Will. Let's see how that goes. Try it out. I don't know. Let me know how it goes.